At 25, I got my first big bonus. Instead of investing it, I bought a designer sofa. Today, the sofa is gone. But the compound interest I lost? Oh, that haunts my thoughts. That was one of the worst financial decisions of my life. And the secret I decoded, after making many mistakes, is that our worst decisions are almost never about math. They're about psychology. The first worst decision was buying status instead of assets. The sofa wasn't a place to sit. It was a trophy to prove to others that I was doing well. I was trying to solve an insecurity problem with a financial transaction. It never works. The second worst decision was being afraid to invest. I thought my savings account was safe, but I didn't understand that inflation was silently eating my money. The biggest risk wasn't losing money in the market. The biggest risk was the certainty of losing purchasing power by leaving my money idle. But the worst decision of all was not negotiating my first salary. Out of fear of seeming arrogant, I accepted the first offer. What I did not know was that every future raise would be a percentage of that low initial number. It was a 5-minute mistake that cost me tens of thousands of dollars over my career. The pattern behind all these decisions was the same: fear. Fear of not looking successful. Fear of losing. Fear of asking. To decode this is to understand that financial freedom begins when you stop making decisions based on emotion and start building them on principles.